Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove drop shadow in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. Now remove this drop shadow for my text. Click on this cell and select. Now select format option and select cell, and here you will find this more option, and this is drop shadow, and simply uncheck this drop shadow and see this drop shadow now remove. Also drag this mouse, select all of this drop shadow text and now select here and drop shadow, uncheck this and see this drop shadow now remove. Also remove this text drop shadow, click here, now simply uncheck and see this. In this way you can remove all of this drop shadow for your number sheet. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.